Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to cancel your PlayStation subscription on your PlayStation app. Now if you want to cancel the PlayStation subscription by using the PlayStation app on a device, then make sure to watch the video till the very end and subscribe for more videos. Now to do so, you need to simply install the PlayStation app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from PlayStation Play Store or App Store on your device. So after that, open the PS app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may log in by using or clicking on the option of sign in, which is at the very bottom of the screen. So after that, you need to go on the subscription management page on the PlayStation app. So click on the profile icon at the very top right, and from there you need to click on the option of gear like icon, which is also known as settings. So click on this and there you will see the option of subscription management. So click on the option of subscription management and you will see the list of the active subscription, for example PlayStation Plus and all other things which if you have kept it active. Now to cancel the subscription, you need to select the subscription you want to cancel, and from there you will see the option of cancel subscription or turn off auto renewal. Now click on the option of confirm and the subscription will be cancelled, or the subscription may also remain active until the end of the billing period and it won't be charged again. So you need to check for the expiry date of the subscription to the end if you want to end it in an automatic way. So that's it. That's how you can cancel the subscription of PlayStation from your PlayStation app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.